Enjoy highlight reflectance and an increased sense of space with the rectangular Dual Glow 2 mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations Mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington Glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. With a size and shape that will suit most double vanities, the Dual Glow 2 mirror contains motion-activated cool white LED tube lights for the ultimate illumination when standing in front of the mirror for shaving and makeup application. To ensure optimal performance and safety, the Dual Glow 2 mirror comes complete with pre-mounted brackets, has all electrical components mounted in the rear, and forms part of the Pilkington Optimirror range, which offers crystal clear color, clarity, and a greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the Dual Glow 2 mirror carries the Live Green logo, thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. Bring both light and practical appeal to your bathroom space with the Dual Glow 2 mirror, available both in-store and online.